This tutorial is a request from a viewer who wanted me to do a tutorial on picture-in-picture. So it's fairly simple to do. All you have to do is follow me and I'll show you how it's done. So for the first track is going to be a picture-in-picture track. So let's go to Event, Pan and Crop. Zoom out. Let's make this smaller. And let's drag this to the upper right hand corner. And basically that's all you have to do to create a picture-in-picture. But let's do some animation here. So put this on pause, go back to the beginning, go back to Event, Pan and Crop. Make sure Sync Cursor is enabled. And put a keyframe right here. Create keyframe. And we're going to animate it. We're going to move the picture from the upper right to the lower left. So let's do it very quickly. So we'll do it right about here. And now when I move this, this will automatically create a new keyframe. So let's move this to the lower left hand corner. And you play it back, looks something like this. So that's all you have to do to create a picture-in-picture effect in Vegas Pro 15. If you have any comments or any other tutorial requests, please leave them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.